G'day folks, welcome to the show. On tonight's episode, we're back at Mayfield Estate for the Spoke Festival of Motorcycles. So grab yourself a bevy, kick back and enjoy the show. Let's go. Welcome to Spoke 2026. So look at me looking all official. Anyway, don't worry about that. I'm going to take you for a walk around, show you some of the sights and sounds of, well, all you'll hear is probably the wind of the Spoke Festival. Day one, we haven't even started yet and there is people everywhere, very exciting. So we're just still doing some prep work. So I'll run around with the camera, give you a look at what's going on. Let's go. This is our camp for the weekend. Set up down here with Daryl from the Ride the By Roads. So we've got the Triumph parked down there. Yes, I wasn't coming down and not bringing the bike. So looking forward to the weekend. I'm down here helping set up, building the glamping tent. So we'll pop up and have a look at those. They're not bad, eh? Beautiful spot up here, got their own toilet and shower. In the trailer we've been popping mattresses and stuff in. And there's a view from the glamping tents. So, you know, if you're ever interested in coming down, you've got to get in early and book them apparently. They go pretty quick. And you get a nice little distance away from the actual carnival over here. So, yeah, beautiful spot. This is what the inside of the glamping tent looks like. All very dignified for camping. Beautiful. Even got chopper rides this year, folks. So what's the plan with the rides? You've got a designated flight pattern?
Yeah, so it depends on how long you want to go for. So just a 6-minute duration, just sort of head straight out here and then down the coast, back inland and back around, but it just gives you a good look at the coast and the racetracks and stuff.
Beautiful.
Yeah, that's the same. What a brand new product.
And the most important place on site, the bar. Oh, did I say that out? Once again, how good's that view?
I'm Shane Fraser, I'm the clerk of the court. Here mate, Stuart is Greg Tasmania. If you have any problems, please come and see one of us first, and we'll see if we can help you. And cyberbullying can be found on the Motorcycle Australia website. This venue has been open till now for everyone to walk and inspect, and I think you've all had a look at the tracks. If you're not happy, please come and talk to me and we'll see what we can do.
Could do anything is the main thing. So I was like, I like exploring, I like traveling, I like taking photos and filming. So I sort of came up, well, why don't I just go for a ride? So I bought a second-hand bike and...
Sorry, I didn't film a lot of the races and stuff this year. I actually volunteered to help out at things. So I was busy running around doing those type of things, but I'm just checking the bike now on the trailer, making sure it's ready to go. Thought I'd better do a quick outro. What another great weekend. Had a camp out with Dazzling Daryl from Ride the By Roads. Great weekend. I hope everybody that was down there enjoyed it. It was a good time. The wind down here, my God. Gale force winds today. So we have to, I had to pack up and get out of there a bit early, unfortunately, for my real job. But yeah, it was a great weekend. So I hope you enjoyed the vision that I brought to you today. I hope you do. If you get the opportunity, go down, check it out next year. I'm sure it'll be bigger and better than ever. And I reckon I'll go down and help them out again because I had a ball. So thanks for watching and we will see you all next time. Cheers.